Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today, I'm here with a project share from a prompt game that I play with Mrs. Gigi over on her channel and also on my channel. Her channel is Wednesdays, at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And on Thursdays on my channel at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We usually play 2 rounds of prompts. So here are the prompts for Thursday, February 24th, 2022. Number 1, napkin. Add something with the letter G. Okay. Number 2, use either toilet paper or Tim Holtz People, which is TP, or use washi tape in 3 spots. Round number 3 is use a punch, which is this, or you can use a stamp. And I don't have one to show people that are new to the prompt game. I will try that in the next video. This is washi tape. If you're new here, okay. Next is ephemera or a map. For those that are new here, I will show y'all on my project what ephemera is. Okay. I'm just moving it around a little bit. Number 5, something vintage or something shiny. Number 6, a book page or magazine page. Number 7, an envelope or metal. And here is my project for round number 1. What I did is I used a napkin here for my background since it had green on it. And it was a napkin, so, that was one of the prompts. So I used that for my background. And then I used washi tape in 3 spots. You see some here, some over here, and some in the corner there. And then I used a punch, which is the little flower here. Ephemera, right there. All right, let's do your picks. Something vintage. I went with something shiny, which is the little itty bitty rhinestones that y'all see there. Then book page or magazine page, I went with a magazine page. Not a magazine page, I'm sorry. A book page. Then I went with an envelope on the last one. So this is an envelope here. I took the window part to make me like a little specimen card here. So we're going to go on to round number 2. Number 1 is animal or nature. Number 2 is nail polish or glue stick. Number 3 is wild card or hearts. Number 4 is something from the kitchen or foil, which we had on the first round. You don't want to know. Number 5 is leaves or flowers. Number 6 is fine liner pen or your favorite color. Or you could use the fine liner pen in your favorite color. Something to your left, something to your right, which we've had that quite a few times. And here is my final for round 2. Here's my animal, which is the fox. The nail polish is over here. You can't see it because it's the same color as the card. Now my wild card or hearts, I did hearts. I cut them out of my book paper. For something from the kitchen or foil, something from the kitchen. I used wallpaper because you can use what napkin here. I got a piece of napkin here and I got wallpaper. Okay. Leaves or flowers. Again with the wallpaper for flowers. Fine liner or favorite color. I did this one, the fine liner, and Mrs. Gigi's favorite color, which is blue. And I went and I outlined most of my project that I glued, most of the stuff that I glued down to make it pop a little bit. I even did the fox. Okay. Now something to your left or something to your right. I did to my left, and on this same book page here, I found Angel's Oil, and I put that there. Okay, so these are my two projects from round one and round two. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. And also, don't forget that thumbs up. Also, please be kind, be blessed, be caring, be crafty, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.